Hello, my beautiful friends. Today we will be making a delicious and easy agua de horchata or rice water. I promise you it's very easy. We will need 2 cups of water and we're going to rinse it and let it sit here with 3 cups of water, cold water, and 1 cinnamon stick. We're going to let it sit here for about 2 to 3 hours. After this time, after 3 hours, we're going to pass this over to the blender and we're going to blend for about 5 minutes. Also, we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Meanwhile, we're going to need 10 cups of water. And after this is completely blend, it smells delicious. We're going to strain and we're going to add all the mixture. We will also add 1 can of evaporated milk. And we're going to add 2 cans of condensed milk. You may add a little bit more of vanilla extract. This is up to you. Last, I will be adding about 1 cup of sugar. This is brown sugar. I'm going to mix completely and then I will take this over to the fridge so it could be a little bit more cold and more tasty. And this is it, friends. I hope you guys like this recipe. As you can see, it's a very easy and simple recipe. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you until next time.